This is New York in slow English.
Hi, my name's Connie. Let's take a pop quiz today, just for fun. Let's see how much you remember from the videos that I've put up so far. Today, I'll be quizzing you from 4 different videos. One is about hope versus wish. Another is about when to use on, in, or at. Remember the video about see, look, and watch? And finally, we have the video about how to make the superlative in English. If you haven't seen these videos, check them out and then come on back and take the quiz. You can find the links to the videos up above me. Just click on the link and it will take you right to the video. So if you're ready, let's begin. Read each sentence and then figure out which of the words in red is the correct grammatical form. Here we go with sentence number 1. I hope she found a job last week. She's 3 months behind on rent. I hope he stops smoking soon. I hope our flight leaves on time this afternoon. I hope to borrow the car tomorrow. I wish I could speak Chinese. I wish he would call me later tonight. I wish I could study English tomorrow. Hope is for things we think are possible. Wish is for things that are unlikely. He's always late for work. I wish he would get here on time. You need to hurry so you can get there in time to buy lunch. I'll pick you up at 12 noon. Let's jump in this taxi instead of on the subway. Look at that man. He has on such a funny hat. I usually post a new video on Tuesdays. Just leave the papers on the table. I'll correct them later. I really like living in New York City. In the mornings, I usually like to drink a cup of coffee. At bedtime, I like to open my windows. The bathroom's on the right as you go down the hallway. The butter is in the refrigerator. We can get on the bus here at this bus stop. When I walked to work today, I saw some neighbors putting out their garbage. If you look down the street, you will see my house on the left. I love watching the Olympics on TV. She has the cutest baby. He always tells the silliest jokes. That was the best meal I ever ate. I got the least amount of money in my paycheck. That was the most boring movie I've ever seen. Her skirt is made from the thinnest fabric. Isn't it fun taking a quiz when you're not really in school? If you got some answers wrong and you don't really understand why, go back and revisit these videos. If you're having fun with me here on New York in Slow English, then please leave me a comment below and please subscribe. I'll see you next time on New York in Slow English.